with Jim Spencer.
A live view of Lake Travis, not a cloud in the sky. Sometimes islands beginning to show up there as we continue to see the lake levels drop just a little bit every day. Here are the current weather conditions out there at the lake. Our camera and weather station at the Steiner Ranch Steakhouse right there off of 620 on Steiner Ranch Boulevard. 57 degrees there right now with a very light north wind, is barely blowing at all. In Austin right now, here is our evening planning forecast. We drop from 55 degrees where we are currently in the city to 43 degrees by 10 o'clock tonight, and then you can knock another 10 degrees or so off of that between 10 and 7 a.m. for the overnight low temperatures. In fact, I think we'll see freezing temperatures in most areas toward morning. At this hour, it looks like everyone still in the 50s, 54 in Georgetown, 51 over in Giddings looks to be the cool spot. In the city right now, it is 55 and skies are clear. It is clear and 55 also out at the airport. The air's still pretty dry out there. No wind in town. At the airport, the winds are north at 5 miles per hour, and sunset tonight at 5:31. Mole count 612 today, medium. Our allergy forecast for your Thursday, moles shouldn't be much higher than they are today. Around the state, beginning to see a little milder air work into West Texas, but you can see the blues there to the east. That's 46 degrees in Shreveport and 49 in Houston right now. That's where the cooler weather is, but it is headed on out of here, so we're looking for some improving conditions in the next couple of days. The low pressure area that we tracked last night from Oklahoma into East Texas never did bring any rain around here. A few sprinkles over in Fayette County maybe early this morning, but by 5 o'clock this morning, that low was pushing on out of here. The clouds quickly cleared, and we've had a sunny day pretty much all day long here in our Central Texas area. Now, the flow pattern right now, one that is bringing us these occasional cold fronts like the one we saw this morning, a weak one, but it still made it pretty breezy and kept the temperatures on the cool side today. It will change over the next couple of days. We'll see a dry westerly flow begin to kick in, and that is going to result in a very nice day tomorrow. And then day after tomorrow, we may see a little more Gulf moisture coming up here, but it will still be a nice day. In fact, it'll be warmer on Friday than tomorrow. Saturday looks to be pretty good, too. But that next change in the pattern, that next big dip in the jet stream that's been bringing us these little bouts of cold air will arrive on Saturday night, we think. Maybe late afternoon, but I think we'll get in another mild day on Saturday before the temperature begins dropping for the latter half of the weekend. Sound familiar? That's exactly what happened this past weekend when we hit 80 on Saturday, but didn't make it out of the 50s on Sunday. Here are your forecast low temperatures tonight. Notice we think most places will drop to freezing or below, some 20s in the coldest locations in the morning. But then we begin the warm-up tomorrow afternoon with high temperatures making it into the mid to upper 60s. Should be a beautiful Thursday afternoon. Tonight, cold. 35 in Austin in the morning. Winds go southerly overnight. Skies clear. Tomorrow, lots of sun. South winds increase a little bit. A high of about 67. Friday will be beautiful. Saturday will be nice, too. We should make it to 74 if we're right on the timing of this cold front, which we think will be fairly late in the afternoon or in the evening. But then we drop pretty significantly there for Sunday. Start in the 30s, end up about 57. Monday, a little bit chilly, too, a morning freeze. And then we'll begin another little warm-up about midweek, kind of like a roller coaster there, isn't it?
Sounds like.